Cubic unit conversions. In this example problem, it says what is the volume of the chemistry textbook in meters cubed. So here we have a chemical principles textbook, and it has length and a width and a height described by these three measurements. So you can do two things here. You can convert each of the sides, each of the measurements. So when we look for volume, we know that volume equals length times width times height. So we can use these three in any order and multiply them together to get the volume. So we could convert them to meters first and then multiply them, and we could get meters cubed. But since this problem first has us converting into m cubed, we're going to first calculate the problem using the centimeters cubed, and then we'll convert. So what we're going to do is multiply 18.35 times centimeters times 5.75 centimeters times 20 centimeters. And then when we do that, 18.35 times 5.75 times 20, we're going to get 2110.25 centimeters cubed. So we know that this answer is going to be in through three significant digits, because this one has, these two have the smallest number of significant digits, so 3. So I'm going to round here, and it's going to become 2110 centimeters cubed. But we know that we want the answer in meters cubed. So what we have to do with this 2110 centimeters cubed is convert it to meters squared. So a meter equals 100 centimeters. So what we know is that centimeters cubed is actually just centimeters times centimeters times centimeters. So what we're going to do when we do this problem, what we have to do is actually divide this by 100 centimeters 3 times. We have to divide this number by 100 centimeters 3 times, because this way, if we were to draw it like this with conversion factors, we're going to get 1 meter, 100 centimeters, 100 centimeters times 1 meter over 100 centimeters times 1 meter over 100 centimeters. So notice that it's centimeter, 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 and that will cancel out all 3 centimeters that are included in centimeters cubed. So here we go, 1, 2, 3, and then that cancels out the centimeters cubed, and we're going to multiply across. When we multiply by 1, then divide by 100, multiply by 1, divide by 100, multiply by 1, divide by 100. Or just multiply across all of them and then divide by 100 3 times. So 100, this means 2110 divided by 100, then divided by another 100, then divided by another 100. So let's do that to figure out the problem. So here we go. We're going to do 2110 divided by 100, then divided by 100, then divided by 100. And what we get at the end is that the answer is going to be 0.00211 meters cubed. So that is the volume in meters for this problem.